Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEBS Home School. I am Sanjida Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to taking a science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, Creative Question. Today we will give you creative question answer 1, 2 and 3. Our lecture number 15 and homework number 12. Our homework for the next class is creative question 2. Here is my name Sanjida Rahman and this is my contact number. My dear students, in our previous class we discussed chapter 7 and today we will discuss question answer from chapter 7. Now let's discuss the question answer. At first we discuss creative question number 1. This question is from your book exercise and this question is in your book exercise, so I read the question at first. CQ number 1, read the following passage and answer the question. Here is a stem. Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother uses an earthen oven and clay pot to cook meals. On the other hand, his wife uses a gas oven and cooks in an aluminium pan. A. Now there is a question, what is matter? Number B, what does non-metal mean? Number C, explain the significance of the elements of the utensils used by Mr. Fazlul Haq's wife and mother. Number D, who gets more advantage while cooking meals, Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother or wife? Analyze. Now we will give question answer A. What is matter? Answer. The thing which occupies a space and has a weight is called a matter. Again I repeat. The thing which occupies a space and has a weight is called a matter. Now question answer B. What does non-metal mean? Answer. The term non-metal suggests such kind of matters that are not electric and thermal conductor and lustreless light in weight. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Question C. Explain the significance of the elements of the utensils used by Mr. Fazlul Haq's wife and mother. Answer. Mr. Fazlul Haq's wife cooks in aluminium pots. We use aluminium pots in cooking since it is a thermal conductor. It conducts heat very easily. It is used in making electric wires and electric machinery since it is cheap and electric conductor. As its density is more and is hard in nature, it is used in making household tools and factory devices at a great extent. But Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother cooks in earthen pots which are not thermal conductors. So cooking needs much time. Now question D. Who gets more advantage while cooking meals, Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother or wife? Analyze. You have to analyze that question. Who get advantages while cooking, Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother or his wife? The answer is Mr. Fazlul Haq's mother cooks in earthen pots. The main structural ingredients of soil is silica, which is a non-metallic matter. As a result, the heat necessary for boiling food items is gained after a longer period of time. On the other hand, Mr. Fazlul Haq's wife cooks in aluminium pots. Since aluminium contains metallic characteristics such as better density, hard nature, shiny, thermal and electrical conductivity, it is a metal. The necessity heat for cooking is gained by aluminium pots pretty quickly and cooking becomes faster as the thermal conductivity of metal is more than soil. That is why Mr. Fazlul wife will get more advantages. Now, I hope you can understand this question answer. Now we will discuss creative question 2. At first we read the question. Creative question number 2. This question is also from your book exercise, and here is a picture. This is the stem. In this picture there are 3 figures and this is the stem. Observe the following figure and the question. Here is the ice cream. This is called X. There is a beaker, and in the beaker there are some water, so its name is Y. And in the third picture we found that there is a beaker and there is water in the beaker, and the water is boiling. That's why vapor came out from the water. So this is Z number picture. Now we will read the question. What is boiling point? B. What do you mean by thermal conductivity? Number C. How the substances shown in figure X can be converted into the substance shown in figure Z? Explain. D. Analyze that the materials shown on all the 3 figures are made of same matter. Answer A. What is boiling point? Answer is the temperature at which a liquid begins to vaporize is called the boiling point of the liquid. Number B. What do you mean by thermal conductivity? Give the answer. Answer is the capacity of a matter to conduct heat is called its thermal conductivity. The matter which conducts heat is called a thermal conductor. Thermal conductivity means the capacity of a matter to conduct heat is called thermal conductivity, and the matter which conducts heat is called thermal conductor. Number C. How the substances shown in figure X can be converted into the substance shown in figure Z. Now this solid ice cream can be converted into this vaporized water. You have to explain. Water can remain in 3 states. Those are solid, liquid and gaseous. That is ice in the solid state, water is liquid state and vapor is gaseous state. In the picture X is the solid state of water. This is the solid state of water, which is ice, and Z is the gaseous state, which is vapor. First we have to apply heat in its melting point. It will melt, turn in water. It is the liquid of state. Now we have to further heat. At 100 degrees Celsius temperature, the water will begin to vaporize. This vapor is the gaseous state of water. This way, the substances shown in figure X can be converted into the substance shown in figure Z. So, upon application of heat, matter changes its state. Now, question D. Analyzes that the materials shown on all of 3 figures are made of same matter. Now you have to analyze that these 3 figure things are made of same thing or same matter. Now we discuss the question X. Here X is a solid state. Y, we see that Y is in liquid state, and Z, we found that Z is a gaseous state. So now we discuss it. We know solid matter turns into liquid upon application of heat, and liquid converts to gaseous upon application of further heat. If we apply heat at first temperature of X will be increasing. When this temperature reaches to melting point, it will convert it to Y. This Y is the liquid state of water. If we further heat, then a particular temperature is called boiling point of water. X, Y and Z, all 3 are the different states of water. Changes upon application of heat, no new matter was created. Therefore, the materials shown on all the 3 figures are made of same matter. That means they are the same matter of water. Now we will discuss creative question 3. This question is not from your book exercise. We make this question and also made the answer. Now we discuss creative question 3. Creative question 3. Read the following passage. Observe the figure and answer the question. Here is the stem. You have to read the stem and there is also a figure. Then we read the question. On the base of density, elements are divided into two groups. Among them, some are solid, shiny, heat and electric conductor. Again, some have none of these characteristics. Here is a figure and there is a box, one candle, two copper wire, and in the middle of the copper wire there is a cord, and the one end of the copper wire in the middle of the candle and other is holding by you. Now the figure name is thermal conductivity of the metal, and here is the question. What is metal? B. What do you mean by the thermal conductivity? Number C. Is thermal conductivity of the first elements mentioned in the stem equal? Explain and observe the thermal conductivity of metal. Number D. Analyze the importance of matter mentioned in the stem. Now we will read question A. What is metal? Answer. If any substance is heated and it melts at high temperature, emit clink. Clink means sound, making sound when struck with hammer, then the substance is called metal. So metal means the substance that is heated and melts at high temperature and making sound when we give them pressure or hurt them. They are called metal. Number B. What do you mean by thermal conductivity? Answer. Thermal conductivity is defined as the property of a given material that indicates an ability to conduct heat. It is an ability of the materials to allow heat transfer to get conducted to metal. Metals are called good thermal conductors. So, metals are called good thermal conductors. Number C. Is thermal conductivity of first elements mentioned in the stem equal? Explain and observe the thermal conductivity of metal. Answer. Thermal conductivity of first matter mentioned in the stem are not equal because first matter in the stem are metal. Different matters have different conductivity. It depends on particular properties of matter. According to the picture, insert the copper wire carefully through the cork so that the cork remain in the middle of the wire. Light the candle. Now, holding one end of the wire, place its other end on the candle flame. In this way, hold the wire until your hand does not feel warm. Therefore, it is proved by this experiment that copper is a good thermal conductor. Answer D. Question is analyzes the importance of matter mentioned in the stem. Answer is matter mentioned in the stem are metal and non-metals. They are very important to us. In our everyday life, we use so many matter. Among them, some are metals and some are non-metal. So, important of matter. We use pan for cooking. This pan is made of aluminium, copper, etc. because these metals are heat conductor. So, when we heat pan, heat reaches quickly to the food of pan through conduction. Number 2, again handle of pan, pressure cooker, electric iron, electric kettle, etc. are made of non-metal things so that we can easily move and handle it. My dear students, I hope you understand these 3 creative question answer. You will study at your home and practice this question answer, and homework for our next week is Homework number 12, creative question 2. This is your homework for the next week. My dear students, you practice this question answer at your home, memorize it. Until then, keep well, stay fine. Assalamu alaikum.